In this video, we're going to look a bit deeper at making worksheets in PowerPoint. In the previous video, we began looking at using slide masters to make worksheet templates. This is a follow-up to that video, so check it out before watching this one. First, let's look at naming our layout so it doesn't appear as custom layout or a pre-existing name. All you do is right-click on the layout and choose to rename the layout. Simple. Now to make this worksheet more specific, I'm going to change a few of those placeholders to text I don't want changed. This particular template will be for vocabulary practice. I can just toss in this layout and with a few tweaks, I'll have a vocabulary worksheet. If you're wondering why I have a table placeholder when my table would likely always be the same, let me show you. If I place a pre-made table, I can't type in it. This could be good if the boxes needed to be written into, but for this worksheet, I want a table of words, so I need a placeholder. Now I'll just throw in some other permanent features for this particular worksheet. And I'll toss another placeholder here so I can put a number each time I make a worksheet. Don't worry about this example text, it won't be like that when we switch. Now you can see the new layout is listed when we go to create a new slide. Well, that's a more detailed look at creating worksheet templates in PowerPoint. I hope you learned something new. Be sure to like the video if you did, leave a comment if you have more tips or questions of your own, and subscribe for more content like this. Until next time, guys, catch you on planning.